awareness and interest in the new system. By January 1994, the official abacus symbol was selected by a panel of key Sun Life decision-makers and staff members. A search for a theme song that would best express Sun Life's plans, intents, and aspirations for the new system was launched 2 months later. Copacabana's Tuned, a soundtrack from a 70s movie, bested 2 other songs in a judging session participated in by people involved with the development of abacus. Jesse Asinas of Financial Accounting wrote the lyrics, and Marvin Agtarap of Information Systems sang the Sun Life version of this Barry Manilow original. Updates on the project featuring the people behind the scenes, programmers, business analysts, project managers, are continuously being published in the company publications. System News, the broadcast facility of LAN, will also be tapped to run a series of word games, mind-tickling puzzles, and trivia on general information about abacus as part of the overall campaign strategy. Brace yourself, members of the Sun Life team. Today, we officially begin the journey into the future of our policy administration system.